Good morning friends. Welcome to ABC Real by Bhanu channel. Today I am Anshu Cover of class 5th. I am here to discuss EVS chapter 23 Reaching Places. This is a chapter of subject EVS class 5th. This video is beneficial for Army Public School students. In this video, we are going to discuss first new terms of this lesson, second, take the correct answer of this lesson, third, fill in the blanks of this lesson, fourth, give one word answer of this lesson, and at last we are going to discuss question and answer of this lesson. Question and answer are divided into two parts, long question answer and short question answers. First we will discuss short question answer and then we will discuss long question answer. Friends, इससे पहले हम लोगों ने EVS चैप्टर 22 तक के सारे वीडियोस बना दिए हैं. आप उन्हें देखना ना भूलें बिकॉज EVS चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है और हमारे वीडियोस को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए जिससे वो भी हमारे EVS चैप्टर्स का बेनिफिट उठा सके. फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगेगा हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूअर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी किए आज के सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं. न्यू टर्म्स. फर्स्ट, हाईवेज. इट इज अ नाउन विच मीन्स broad roads connecting major towns or cities. Second, tanker. It is a noun which means ship that carry petroleum. Third, refrigerated ship. It is also a noun which means ship that carry perishable goods such as vegetables, fruits, milk and milk products. Fourth, CNG. It is a noun which means compressed natural gas. Fifth is ISRO. It is a noun which means Indian Space Research Organization. Question number 6, construction. It is a noun which means the process of building things such as houses, bridges, roads, etc. 7. Transport. It is also a noun which means a system or method for carrying passengers or goods from one place to another. 8. Phenomenon. It is a noun which means something or someone that is very unusual because of rare quality or ability that they have. 9. PSLV. It is a noun which means Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. And last word of new terms is GSLV. It is a noun which means Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. Let us move on. Take the correct answer of this lesson. Question number 1. In India, the railways were introduced by dash. Answer of this question is the British. In India, the railways were introduced by the Britishers. Question number 2. Dash has the largest railway network in the world. Dash has the largest railway network in the world? Answer of this question is USA. Question number 3. The length of India's coastline is dash. Answer of this question is 6,000 km. India's coastline is about 6,000 km in length. Let us move to fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The dash is the busiest ocean in the world. Answer of this question is the Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean in the world. Question number 2. The first aeroplane was built by dash. Who built the first aeroplane? Answer of this question is Wright brothers. The first aeroplane was built by Wright brothers. Question number 3. The roads which connect one country with another are known as dash. Answer of this question is international highways. The roads which connect one country with another are known as international highways. Let us move on. Give one word answer. Question number 1. The first highway of India was Grand Trunk Road. Question number 2. The full form of CNG is compressed natural gas. Question number 3. India's first mission to the moon was Chandrayaan first. Let us move to short question answers. Question number 1. Name the different means of transport. Answer of this question is first land transport, second water transport, third air transport. Are these some different means of transport? Question number 2. What are expressways? Answer of this question is there are broad roads that connect the major cities. These broad roads are known as expressways. Question number 3. What are trawlers? Answer of this question is a fishing boat that uses large nets that it pulls through the sea behind it. Let us move on long question answers. Question number 1. What are the disadvantages of the modern means of transport? Answer of this question is it causes air pollution, noise pollution and oil spills. This is due to burning of petrol, diesel, etc. The pollutants given out get suspended in the air, which causes many diseases. Question number 2. Why is water transport important? Answer of this question is it is one of the most important means of transport for carrying goods from one part of the country to another in a country. It is a cheaper and quicker mode of transport and is most suitable for carrying heavy, bulky and cheap traffic like coal, iron ore, etc. to distant places. Last question of long question answer is question number 3. How has the means of transport brought the world close? Answer of this question is with time the transportation options have increased a lot and become more convenient. For example, you have the flights which connect different countries when trains were unable to do the same. This has also reduced the time taken to reach another destination. So the transportation has really brought people closer and it is easier to reach them in just few hours. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For latest update, press bell icon. फ्रेंड्स, ईवीएस चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो हमारे कोई भी ईवीएस वीडियोस को आप मिस ना करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारी ईवीएस क्लासेस का बेनिफिट उठा सके। और आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। थैंक यू।